Ideus Group, China System Doors and Windows Headquarters Industrial Park. Located in the Industrial Development Zone of Jinli Town, Zhaoqing City. Total area exceeds 160,000 square meters, annual output up to 2.2 million square meters. This is an area with unlimited potential for industrial cluster. 100 stores and Windows companies, hardware and machinery enterprises as well as logistics are gathered here. Effectively improve cluster collaboration, reduce costs and increase efficiency. Lean layout and efficient production. The workshop adopts streamlined layout. The main process flow of each unit is smoothly connected in series. Minimize waste and overload during operations. Smart workshops speed up production capacity. The workshops adopt fully digital intelligent automatic production line. Integrate multiple processes into production. Effectively reduce production time. Speed up shipping time. Intelligent warehousing automatic operation. Three-dimensional intelligent warehousing management system and intelligent logistics. Realize automatic entry and exit warehouses. Effectively improve the inventory turnover rate of various materials and finished products.